Hi guys, welcome back to online class for excellence. So like as I told you in the last class, I will be going through geometric progression of sequence series. So over here in the last class we have discussed arithmetic progression, and over here we are discussing geometric progression. In arithmetic progression we have learned like how you obtain a term from the next term, like by adding or subtracting. And over here we have learned like geometric progression we will be learning obtained by multiplying or dividing the next term. So we are obtaining the first like the second term from the first term by either multiplying or dividing. That is the main difference between AP and GP, arithmetic progression and geometric progression. And the first term that will be that you guys will need to know, that is the common ratio R. What is common ratio R? Like the term, like the term, suppose 2 4 8, so 2 into 2, like 4 into 2, so 2, so we are getting the next term by multiplying 2, so 2 is the common ratio over here. So you guys can understand like what is common ratio. Last term, so like as I told you in AP, the last term was like TN. So over here the last term is, if I abbreviate it like as L for last term, so it is A R n to the power minus 1. So A is the first term of the GP. N is the number of terms. So number of terms of a GP, if it is n, and A is the first term, the value of the first term is A, n is the value of number of terms. So A, the last term is L equal to A R to the power n minus 1. Summation, again the same thing as same you guys have learned about the formula of AP, summation of formula of an AP. So overall over here as well it is of GP. Sums Sn equal to A 1 minus r to the power n by 1 minus r. So A is the first term, n is the number of terms, r is the common ratio. Alright, so A 1 minus r, this is the term, and if r is the modulus r, then the value of the r is greater than 1, the formula changes. This is for, it can be negative as well, r can be negative as well, as if you can see, like for an example, like 60 minus 24, then again 9 3 by 5, again minus 3 21 by 25. So if this is a series like 60 minus 24, 9 3 by 5, again minus 3 21 by 25, the common ratio is minus 2 by 5 over here. Common ratio, the r is coming, so minus. Over here this formula will apply, and over here if the r, the common ratio, is positive as well, so this is the formula. And another term that you need to understand over here is geometric mean. If AGB, G is the middle term, so AGB, if these three terms are in a GP, geometric progression, so this is the main collection between them, the G by A and B by G. G by A, like the second term by first term equal to third term by second term, that is G, the geometric progression G, the value will be root over A into B. So these are the main primary formulas that you guys need for geometric progression. You guys can note it down. Now I will come back with the problem sums and the various problems that you guys need to do before entering into the chapter. So mainly these are the formulas that I told you. Now guys, wait for the problems. So वापस आए हम लोग 5 प्रॉब्लम लेकर. GPAP मिला के, last one is GPAP mixed up, and the like first 4 ones are of GP. So number 1, find 19th term of this series, root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 by 3 root 3 and so on. Find 19th term. So guys, the most important thing, the formula, or you can say the tactics you need for solving GP is, if first term is A, the second term should be AR, third term should be A R square, then AR cube and so on. This you need to remember. This is very important for you guys to solve any kind of GP sums. So over here, this is a series. So we will find the common ratio. The common ratio over here, like this is the second term, this is the first term. So if I do like this, so mainly 1 by root 3, it is the R, is the common ratio. So now we have to find the 19th term. So you guys know the formula of finding the nth term. So 19th term will come as A R, like n minus 1, that is 18. A you know, R you know, then you guys have to find out like what is the 19th term. The answer is root 3 by 3 to the power 18. Okay. Now the second sum. If the first term of GP is 1, okay, and the sum of the third and the fifth term is 90, sum of third and fifth term is 90, find R. So A is 1, the first term is 1. So if the first term is 1, then third and fifth term. So third term will be as I told you, like third term as over here is A. So again, so these are the terms. You need to memorize, you need to remember this sequence. For any kind of sum, you will need this sequence. So third and fifth term. So third term is over here A root A into R square, and fifth term is A R to the power 4. So over here, the summation of this A R to the power 4 plus A R square is nothing but 90. From over here, A we know is 1, so from here we get to know R. The value of R, quadratic equation if you do, the value of R will be 3. Okay, so the common ratio will be 3. So quadratic equation will be happening over there. Now sum of n terms. So sum, that is again the same formula, the important formula that I have told you guys that you need to remember. So sum over here is equal to like L R n R minus 1. So if we know L, last term over here is L, A is 3, last term is L, that means A R to the power n. So if I write the formula over here, so L is nothing but A R to the power n over here. So summation formula, L is nothing but A R to the power n. So this is the main formula. Over here, S I know 189, L I know this, A I know. So we have to find the R from here. First we will find the R, that will, this formula will give you R as 2. Then we will find the main term, there is a number of terms. The number of terms will come as number 5 or 6. Sorry, 6. So you guys can note it down, the answers and all, solve it. If you have any problem, do write in the comment section. And last, I will come to one important sum, that is, if you have to prove this kind of sum, will come in your exam as well. It might come in your exam, like if GP, in a GP sequence, the P8, Q8 and Rth term are A, B, C. So prove that A to the power Q minus R, B to the power R minus P, C to the power P minus Q equal to 1. So this is a problem that you might get in your examination. So P8 term, so this term will be A, R, P minus 1. A is the first term. According to that formula, the term Tn, this formula Tn equal to, so over here Q8 term will be A, R, Q minus 1. R will be A, R minus 1. So if we put this in over here, A, B, C. So over here what we will write, like A, B and C. What are A, B and C? Over here, suppose it is the ABC, the terms A and B and C. So this A, okay, the PQ term, we will put this value over here. Just the value of A, B and C over here. Then after you solve, you will get A to the power 0 into R to the power 0 equal to 1. This is the, you have to prove it is equal to 1. Something to the power 0 is obviously equal to 1. So 1 into 1 will come 1. We have to solve this sum by putting this value from here, over here. Now the next sum is A, B, C are in AP. So remember guys, one more formula from AP as well. If A, B, C are in AP, so 2B, so 2 into the middle term will be equal to A plus C. This you have to know. Such as in GP, you guys know like B root over AC. So over here another term is over here, like 2B equal to A plus C. This is in AP. X, Y, Z are in GP. Prove that this x to the power b minus c into y to the power c minus a into z to the power a minus b equal to 1. So you guys have to prove it. So same thing, you have to, I've been telling you that like this is like x, then ar square, ar square. This formula you guys have to like use it wherever you want, because GP depends upon this only. So from here again the same formula you will apply guys. So after putting the values over here, now you will get again the same thing, x to the power 0, r to the power 0 will be equal to 1. You guys prove these two sums. If you have any problem, do write it in the comment section. So this is all about AP and GP. Mostly GP in this section I've covered. You can check my previous video as well for arithmetic progression. So next class I will be coming back again with physics, one chapter of physics. And till then guys, keep on studying, keep safe, wear mask, don't go outside, stay at home, stay at like at your best positions and all, and keep on studying. I'm here to guide you guys through this pandemic condition. Yes, the exams are getting cancelled, the schedule is totally being changed and all. You guys are facing tough situation, I can understand, but still we have to keep hope. And till then, as the hope is there, so till the hope is there, we'll keep on studying. You guys can pause and write the sum as well over here. So next class I will be coming back with a video of physics. Thank you.